Hi, it's Haley here, putting on my rabbit ears, getting ready to put on some milk makeup. Well, there's the cat. The cat's coming for some milk. Well, rub it all over my face, rub-a-dub-dub. Don't know what it does. It's a blur stick. Oh, there's something else. Jesus, is going too fast. Conceal. Okay, now conceals the milk, I think. No, it's a 2-in-1 foundation. Oh, and I use this crazy looking sponge. It looks like a cat toy. Anyway, oh, something else. This is going way too fast. Lasting perfection. So this is to keep everything that I just put on my face, I think. What is she doing? What? I think this is a cult thing. I'm not sure. My daughter's joined a cult. Oh my God. Anyway, now she's dabbing it again. So I think the process here is you put a bunch of stuff on your face and then you take it off again. Oh, I missed a spot. Don't forget the nose. The nose. The nose. Oh, yeah, there you go. The nose. Well, I missed that. What was that? Translucent loose powder, I think. I have no idea what that does. It says sheer envy. So the face must have been dusty because she just dusted it off to put on the Too Faced. Oh, the Too Faced. Oh, yes, I've heard of that stuff. I use that all the time. It smells good too. Not sure. Yeah, brushing it on. Maybe brushing it off. No, brushing it on for sure. For sure. Yeah, I got the nose. Oh yeah, do the neck too. I don't see that stuff. Where's that stuff? Anastasia. From Beverly Hills was going to be expensive. Oh, this stuff, facial spray. So this is to keep everything that you just put on in place. It's kind of like a shellac. Retractable brow pencil. So, yeah. So my daughter here is going for the Groucho Marx look. Google Groucho Marx, M-A-R-X. I dare you to tell me I'm wrong. Yep. Huh. Surprised that stuff comes off. Oh, what's going on now? This is, a makeup. Oh no. I'm losing track. Okay, she's doing something to her eyebrows right now. Make me brow. So it's kind of like texturizing the paint that was just put on her face. Oh, look at this. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. It was a paint by number that I used. And now they have it to paint your face. Oh, dab a little bit. I'm feeling blue today. I think that's blue.
It's pink, Dad.
It's pink. I'm colorblind, everybody. Sorry. I got a clue what that color is. Anyway. And now you're doing the, I don't know what, bottom eyebrow. Now mixing everything together. Oh, what's that? Oh yes, that's the top coating. So this is like the glazing on the paint of your car. Holds everything together. Super last. Oh no, this is the paint on your car. This is the super last. This is the stuff that's supposed to last forever. I know it says 18 hours, but that's pretty much forever. And now, that is, oh my God. Oh, that's like surgery. Mascara for all lashes. And if you don't have lashes, doesn't matter because you can just put some on. Smashbox. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, 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 yes. Lipstick. If you like it, click below. See you later. Bye.